Here's a low mileage E46 M3, and of course the check engine light is on. Misfire on cylinder 3 after swapping the injector with cylinder 1. Misfire is now on cylinder 1, so we need all new injectors. I need to depressurize the fuel system, so I'm going to pull fuse 54 for the fuel pump relay. In the glove box is the fuse chart, so I pull out the fuse chart, I check it out, and right there, bam! Fuse 54 is a 20 amp fuse. After removing, I start the car and let it run on the fuel and the fuel rail until it dies. After eating my smart chocolate, it's time to remove the fuel rail. A little trick I use here is I pop the little clip off and I let the magnet catch the clip. Look at that. With a little wiggle jiggle, I get the fuel rail out with all the injectors, and I turn it over, and you can see the bad injector right there. The fuel supply line gets a brand new O-ring and some lube. Of course, I remove all the injectors. All the new injectors come with O-rings. They get lubed up, and I clean the injector holes. I use this rag, run it through, and check that out. Nice artwork. Now that everything is clean and lubed, it's time to shove the injectors back into the hole and tighten everything up, put it all back together. Oh yeah.